Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a June 23, 51 variant question number 3. And topic is permutation combination. First part. How we can guess this is a permutation topic? Because the word arrangement. When the word arrangement comes, it is most probably the chances is there is a question of the permutation. And he said that there's 8 letters on the word coconut. Okay. Cocaine. Okay. So we have to check it. So how to make it? He said that how many letters total available in this word? 8. But how many repeating letters are there? You can see two C's are there, two C's are there. And how many O's are there? 3 O's. So O's are how many? O's are 3. Okay, and total letters are very clear. Other letters are, we can say, and every time best technique. So you count the others even 5. So 3 are others. How? You can say D, E, N. Okay, so let's start. And is the first is very easy. 8 P8 divided by, because there are repeating letters. So 2 P2 into 3 P3. Or you can write 8 factorial. If the upper number, lower number same, we can write factorial. And 2 factorial into 3 factorial. And we check in calculator. It is coming with us 3360. So first part is completely over. B part. Find number of different arrangement. Array the word again. The word arrangement is there. So the 8 letters of word we have, in which that first letter is O and last it is N. So this is the best way to do this kind of questions. The box method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And 7 lines, so 8 boxes. He said starting with the O and ending with N. So O is a fix here and N is fixed here. So naturally, one, if we concentrate here, this O gone, this N gone. So how many letters repeating now? There are 2 C's are there and there are 2 O's are there. Okay, so I think the point is very clear. So we can do it easily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6P6. And divided by, because 2 O's and 2 C's are repeating, so 2P2 into 2P2. And you know very well we can write 6 factorial over 2P2 factorial into 2 factorial. I hope so. The point is very, very clear. And when we type this in calculator, so it is coming with us 180. So this part is also clear. Part number C, he said to find the probability. So this time, first time he asked me for the probability. Okay, the random chosen, we have to choose, and the word arrangement of the 8 letters, and all 3 are together. Given that, given that word is very, very important, and we remove the given that by the word and the 2 C's are together. So planning is very clear. Let me tell you the formula when you have a given that word specifically comes. What we do, or rule is, after given that, whatever, it will go in denominator. So let me write in denominator. So it means that 2 C's are next to each other. So probability when 2 C's are together. So this will, because after given that whatever, we go in denominator. And now I read all together, but don't read a given that. All 3's are together and 2 C's are together. I have to put in numerator. So probability 3 O's together and 2 C's are together. C's together. So this is the whole planning. So let's see how we can fulfill the planning. So this point is very clear. So let's talk about one by one. So when two C's are together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If two C's are together, I make a one block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is 7B7 and divided by, because two C's are blocked here, no more repetition. But three O's are still repeating. So I must divide it by 3P3. So this is the answer for when I got in denominator. So if I write here, so I must write in denominator 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial. It is coming for this. So point is very clear. Now let's talk about the numerator. What he said three O's are together and same time two C's are together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. So two C's are together. You can write it anywhere, okay? So and three O's are together. So O, O, O. So three O's are together. So 1, 2, this is full as a block. 2, 3, 4, and it's full as a block with a 5. So what is the answer? 5. P5 comes for it. And we can't say, because there's a block, how we can differentiate, they are arranged, they are shuffling, we can't say. Okay, and we cannot understand this three. Yeah, if we have a three different letters, O, L, P, we can say 3P3 because they are shuffled inside. But here, because they are same, so we can't understand the shuffle or not. So 5P5 is my final answer. And this 5P5 I'm writing in the, because it's answer of the numerator. So I hope so you got a point. So 5 factorial comes in the numerator and the point is very clear. And finally, answer of P, if we check in calculator, 5 factorial by 7 over 3 is coming 1 by 7. So I hope so the concept is very clear and the question is completely over, and I believe you got idea.